it is hot down here. I purchased this item here from Amazon to wrap my water hose around, but I think I'm going to switch it out with the one in the front and take the one in the front, move in the back. Also, I bought a rack here to you know, keep all my tools, my garden tools, in one area. So it's like a storage rack for your garden tools. And I'm going to try to assemble it. I'm trying to get organized, y'all. Let me tell you, it is so hot out here. So I have to kind of work, you know, a little bit at a time, just pace myself. Get up early in the morning if I'm not making a lot of noise, because we have an HOA that you can't start doing any work until after 8 o'clock. So I get out here like 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun is already out, but it's not so bad. And I get out here and start getting busy. Quietly, where I don't disturb any neighbors. Anyway, as you can see, I'm just trying to unbox this thing so I can go ahead and I'll put it together.
Get it bouncing, yeah. Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me, I style from the street. Look at me, I style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh. Me go on my knees to the Calvary tree, me I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me I tell the God make they bless me still, yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause if I no get all these people go laugh at me. All these people go use me play. Make God they bless me and my family, yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye, aye, aye. Nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye, aye, aye. Nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. But me I make cash on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low. Me I wanna get to the door. Me I wanna shine on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low. Me I wanna shine on the low. Me I wanna get to the door. Me I wanna turn up on the low. Damn, with my eyes don't see. Me I no feet talk on. Me I no feet and I'm yeah, 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 yeah. Damn, with my eyes don't see. Me I no feet talk on. Me I no feet and I'm yeah, 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 yeah. They say money never needs your upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality, yeah, yeah, yeah. They say money never needs your upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality, yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye, aye, aye. Nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye, aye, aye. Nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. But me I make cash on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low. Me I wanna get to the door. Me I wanna shine on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low. Me I wanna shine on the low. Me I wanna get to the door. Me I wanna turn up on the low.
Kristen Sounds.
Get it dancing. Get it bouncing.
Why you up, boy?
Show them if you buy you cushion. If you buy you brother. If you buy you old designer. Baby, it's for you, 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 you. Girl, you my champion lover. Hopefully, God, yeah. Baby, my father, yeah. Baby, it's for you. Oh, me, I do no ma. Oh, yeah, do proper. Oh, yeah, stand proper. Number one lover. Nobody better. Nobody cleaner. Nobody other. It's for you, yeah. Man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do no ma. Make us spend all that. It's for you, yeah. Man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do no ma. Make us spend all that. It's for you, yeah. Man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do no ma. Make us spend all that. It's for you, yeah. Man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do no ma. Make us spend all that. It's for you, love. I think I feel like I say me, I'm gonna hurt you, girl. They say me I be play, but they say me I'm gonna play you, babe. Evidence well, me I know be that kind guy, yeah. Give me your heart, make I give you mine too. Make you shake it with me and me, I guess for you, baby, I love everything I guess for you, baby, I love, baby, everything I got for you, you got. Everything is low, oh baby, let me love you, let me hold you, baby girl, to the end, that's why, yeah. Let me touch you, man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do no, man. Make us spend all that. It's for you, man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do no, man. Make us spend all that. It's for you, man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do no, man. Make us spend all that. It's for you, man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do no, man. Make us spend all that.
Pristine sound.
Okay, here it is, completed. It wasn't that easy, but I got it together. As you can see, I did in real time, so you saw the struggles. But I managed to get it in there. Now it's just a matter of setting it outside and putting the tools in it. And I'm not going to try to go outside and do it right now, because if I go outside I got to come in and get in the shower and I have a meeting. Well, I have someone coming to measure my windows, because I'm getting the windows replaced in the front of the house for starters. Okay, one more part that I left out was these extra hooks. You just hook it on to the side like this if you want it. Okay. I have since cleaned up this patio. You can see the tool storage over there with the tools stacked in it to the best that I can. And these pavers are so filthy, but I managed to get all that 4 years of stuff that was sitting out here semi-cleaned up. As you can see, it's still a lot to do. I have everything sectioned off in piles on the way I'm going to deal with it. I have to purchase myself a pressure washer to be able to wash this patio off. And I have some other plans.